Using wishlists in a registered myKomatsu account, you can create multiple custom parts lists. Could be batches of parts you regularly order together, or perhaps a quick access to a list of parts for each of your machines. You can create new wish lists and add parts to them right from the search results page. Make sure you're logged in, and in the search results page, find the star icon under Add to Cart and click Add to Wishlist. In the drop-down, you can save the part to any wishlist you've already created or create a new wishlist. Let's do that. Now select Add to Wishlist again and save it to the new wishlist. That same functionality is available in the individual product page of any part. To see all your wish lists, click the star icon in the top navigation. Smaller screens won't have the words My Wishlist. Open the wish list you want to view by selecting Over Here. It's via a drop-down in narrower screens. This view lists all the parts in the list. Adjust the quantity of any part in the list here. Move it to another list. Check stock availability, or delete the item from the list here. The list is not your cart, but it's easy to add items from the wish list to your cart. Click Add to Cart here to add individual items into the shopping cart, or Add All to Cart to add the whole list as a batch. It'll be waiting for you to check out when you go to the cart. All your lists are in the left-hand side or via drop-downs on mobile screens or smaller windows. When a list is selected, you can change its name, delete it, share it via email, or print it.